We're reading for sign of Scorpio. All that I need to know about your person moving forward. So let's start. What all you need to know from now until the end of the month. So what our Scorpio is going through. Let's take 3 cards for you and then we move to your person. What are Scorpios possibly going through currently? Okay, so we have the King of Wands in the reverse. So for many of you, I feel that you are not exactly in the mood of keeping yourself open towards new connections. You guys are kind of holding yourself back. You do not feel ready for it, or you do not feel the vibe with the person you have right now or is in front of you. Bottom card we have is Three of Wands. You are waiting for something better. Some of you might be dealing with a relationship that is long distance and you guys can't really do much physically. So that could be, kind of frustrating you a bit. Okay, one more card. With the strength card, again, I see you guys trying to focus on yourself, okay, trying to possibly hold back, not really wanting to give much, okay. In the recent past, you guys could have communicated, but you did not get the necessary, energy back from that individual. There was no reciprocity in some which way, okay, or you do not feel the person was like kind of giving back what you wanted from them. Okay, with strength card, I also see you keeping to yourself, possibly wanting to fix yourself, like wanting to gain that power again, as an individual, as a partner, and you guys are not really wanting to give much. Okay, that's the overall energy that's going to be for the couple of weeks. Okay, one more card for Scorpio. So what else do we see coming up for you for the next couple of weeks? Okay. So with Knight of Swords, I see you focused on moving forward towards your goals, not so much on relationships, but your goals. In the recent past, I see many of you guys not focusing on your goals or your dreams much. You guys are focused on relationships. But right now, I see you wanting to focus more on your goals, wanting to be more passionate about what you really love. Okay, that passion could be missing in your life in the past couple of weeks, and now you're trying to refocus on yourself, trying to gain back that energy to possibly do what you're wanting to do. Okay, one more card in terms of your relationship. What's the overall energy going to be like, Scorpio and your soulmate? What's the overall energy going to be like for the next couple of weeks in terms of relationship? Everything. Okay. We have Justice. So some of you might be dealing with a Libra, some of you with a Leo. Okay. In terms of the relationship, I believe the connection is still around. It's just that things are not balanced. Okay. There needs to be open communication for the connection to get back on the same page. Okay. You guys might be both holding back. Reason being, you feel the other person is hiding something or not being honest. Okay. You feel like there is a like lack of equal give and take. Okay, like one is doing too much, the other isn't, and you guys want to talk about it but you haven't. Okay, one card for what's your person going through, Scorpio. What's your person really going through? Your person isn't really taking any sort of action towards you. With the Chariot in the reverse, this person is holding back. Okay, if suppose they had options, they are not choosing any. They are just holding there, standing there wherever they are, and just wanting to hold back, not really want to do much. Okay, in the recent past as well, they were not doing much. With Seven of Pentacles, they were rather waiting on you to react, reach out, or put the necessary changes. Okay, one more card. Some of you could be dealing with a Cancer or a Gemini as well. So what else do we see them thinking about you in terms of their energy towards you now? Two of Swords. This person is rather distracting themselves. In order to not think about you. So energetically, I see them neglecting you or possibly trying to resist you. Okay. One more card in terms of why is this person doing this? What's the reason or what's the shift that has made them this way? Okay. This person, I believe, wanted. I won't say for everyone, but for some of you, this could be a long distance relationship. Fool, Chariot. uh, and I feel that this person wanted an open relationship, did not really want a relationship that would lead somewhere, or it could be vice versa, and they did not really get what they wanted. Okay, so far, so some of you, I believe this person feels like things could get messed up, therefore they chose to stay away from it. They did not want to face any consequences. Okay, one more card. In terms of how do they think about you now, in terms of how do they really think about you. With Page of Pentacles, I believe this person does want to message you, but it's just a hello or a hi, or hey, what's up, or hey, what are you up to, like nothing major. But yes, they do want to reach out. Okay, I see them trying to distract, but I also see them wanting to reach out, like at least keep or maintain some contact. With Five of Swords, this person was kind of acting on their ego. So if they've been acting like a dick lately, it's all their ego. It's not their heart. Okay, some of them could have tried to trigger you as well. They were playing mind games to get a reaction out of you. Okay, right now in terms of their feelings towards you, how does this person really think about you now? How does Scorpio individual soulmate think about Scorpio? Yeah, with Page of Wands, in terms of feelings, I believe this person does want you to message them. They've been waiting on your communication. If you haven't messaged them, then I believe they're going to take a couple of days before they reach out. Okay, but they were waiting on you for sure. Okay, one more card. In terms of what do they have in their heart space for you, what does this person have in their heart space for you? Okay, this person cannot really trust their feelings. Sometimes they feel like it's friendship, sometimes they might feel like it's love, and they are confused. Okay, they are not stable when it comes to their feelings. Okay, and some of you, I believe they have an option, and they are kind of juggling between the two of you, and that's the reason why they are stuck. One more card. In terms of their headspace, what's happening, Scorpio, soulmate? In terms of hate space, they are still wanting to act on their ego, still wanting to act like a bitch. Okay, with Five of Swords, they are still wanting to pretend like nothing is happening, like nothing is affecting me. And if you want to reach out, you can message me and all that bullshit. Okay, but deep down they feel incomplete without you, or the world in the reverse. Then they know that this cycle isn't over yet. There needs to be something that this would go forward. They know that this isn't over, this isn't done, this will move forward, but they are not initiating anything. They are just sitting where they are and just like wanting to see what you would do. Okay, so a very much a laid back energy. Okay, one card for their intentions towards you. What are their intentions towards Scorpio? I see a lot of swords, so it's air sign for many of you, or someone who has a lot of air in their chart. Okay, so in terms of intention, they are still going to wait on you, but they are not going to decide. Okay, but I see them waiting on you. They haven't completely let go of you, neither are they coming towards you. So I see them still at crossroads. Okay, they will message you, however, do not expect much. Okay, one card for what action are they willing to take towards you? What action are they willing to take towards you? The Star card. In terms of action, they still want this to go forward. Okay, they do not want this to die. They do not want this to get over. Yet they are not wanting to act on it. Okay, so they'll, if at all, they feel bit like it might end soon, or they feel like you might want to walk away. I see them putting effort, but until that, I don't see them willingly wanting to come forward. But if you give them the slightest energy that you might want to end this and go elsewhere, I see them trying harder to hold on to it. Okay, to make it survive somehow. Okay, so you guys both are kind of playing your own games, and I guess no one can play better than Scorpio when it comes to mind games. They are the ultimate pro. Okay, so if at all you want them to chase, you'll have to play a certain game where you make them believe like I'm done with this bullshit and I'm walking away. That's when they'll chase you, or that's when they'll willingly put in that effort that you've been waiting on. Okay, So one card for what can you guys expect in terms of action? What can Scorpio possibly expect in terms of action? I still feel this person holding back a lot. Okay, with Queen of Pentacles, I feel like they still do care about you, but they feel it's your thing to message them, or you're supposed to be the one who initiates the conversation. I do not know why. Maybe they feel wronged by you. Okay, but with Queen of Pentacles, they are waiting on it. It's not like if you message, they are not going to reply or something. They will reply. Things are going to move forward regarded. You are the first one to message them. Okay. One more card. In terms of what's blocking this connection. What's blocking this connection could be for some of you there's a third party. If it's not a third party, they are treating you like a friend. You guys might be friend zoned. Okay, one more card. Or they are way too casual about it. With Eight of Pentacles, this person is not willing to put in that effort. It could be also for Scorpios, for some of you, that you might not be like willing to put in that effort. For some of you, I believe you guys are way too focused on your work life, or your partner could be. So take however it resonates. It's a general reading. Not everything is going to go word by word. Okay, one card for where do we see this going? Where do we see this going for now? No Pentacles, please clarify, Spirit. For many of you, it has the potential of going forward. Okay, if you want stability, it will. However, if you hold back and if you don't do much, it's going to stay stagnant. I don't see it ending. Okay, but if you put in that effort, I feel that other person will reciprocate. But don't expect much from them. Don't expect that you're going to sit back and the person is going to come forward and just do everything for you. That is not going to happen. If you're a cross watcher, don't expect that from a Scorpio. But if you want this connection to work, and I see it having the potential to move forward, but if you're going to both hold back and act all unbothered, nothing is going to work, regardless of how much ever this person likes you, wants you. And to be very honest, this person is more attached to you. Okay, in terms of feelings, they do not trust their own feelings. If you're a cross watcher, you'd know that someday you feel like you love them and someday you feel like no, this is just a friend. So you guys are confused, to be honest. Okay, or you feel confused. One more card in terms of where things are going to be going. Some of you, I believe, could have let go on the other person because you thought that they were out of reach. Okay, like nothing could come out of this, so you were a bit negative about it. Okay, some of you, it might have gone vice versa. They felt like you were out of reach, or they if even if they put in that effort, nothing could come out of this. Okay, one more card. What else do we see? Okay, someone wanted to wrap it up and move elsewhere in the past. Okay, so past I'm getting someone wanted to wrap it up and move elsewhere. So that's the reason the other person doesn't trust them. Okay, and right now the message I'm getting is someone feels that the other person would not hold on long. Okay, so it could be you or them, but someone felt like the other person would not hold on long. It could be your person that felt like you wouldn't hold on long to them. Okay, so one more message in terms of what you need to know about this connection. Okay. I feel that this person is keeping you hanging. This has been going on for a long time now, and this person is not really giving you any sort of clarity. So this goes on. It's like a cycle. Okay, and someone wants to hear your voice. I want to hear your voice. I'm missing you. That's the last message I'm getting here. And for some of you, looks matter is something I'm getting. So I do not know who's average and who's good looking, but looks matter is the final message. It's more like a blockage, not a message. Okay, so this is all I have for you for Scorpios. If it resonated, please I request all of you to hit the like button. If it is something that you like and want to see more, please subscribe to the channel. If you want a personal reading like this, please kindly visit my website on Etsy shop, and you could book one for yourself. I've got like 6 options in terms of readings. And yes, thank you so much for coming in, for your time, and I hope to see you soon, guys. Cheers.